welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made my own bundle wraps on Avery.com. It was pretty cheap, but I think I am gonna get a vendor for custom packaging because I think it'll just be a little cheaper. But this is still a really good option. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. Alright, so as y'all just saw, I just hit custom printing at the top and then I click go to labels. And then you're gonna just choose what shape you want or whatever, but these are for bundle wraps. So you're gonna hit rectangle labels, and the label size that you're gonna use is 1x4. Okay, y'all, so right here is just showing everything that you can choose or whatever. And I clicked on rows at first, but you actually want to click on sheets. I did go back and change it because the pricing was coming out too expensive. And I did see a girl post on the Facebook group I'm in called We All Can Win. And she had posted like her bundle wraps and then the pricing and stuff. And I had screenshotted, which gave me kind of like the idea to do this video, but yeah, you have to click sheets to get the cheaper price. I don't know what's the difference between sheets and rows, but yeah. And I'm just getting the 32 labels. And at the end it costed $14 and some change. So if you just want to know the pricing off top, it is very affordable. It was $14 for 32 labels, I believe. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see, for the material I hit white film, and for the finish I picked glossy. So yeah. Okay, so right here you can see I switched it to sheets, and it now says matte white paper at the for the material, but the quantity is 32 labels now, and it's only $8 for now. And then I just changed it back to glossy white paper, and it went to $10. But I wanted it to, show really good, so I didn't mind paying the extra $2. Alright, so once you got all that in order, you just want to hit start designing in the bottom right corner, and I press create design and create my own design. So yes, for this I'm just going to be using my logo and just putting it across, but y'all gonna see this part in a second. Okay, so over to the left I hit image and then hit add image, and then browse for file, and then I just selected my logo. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just put on there what you want to. I just used my logo. I used it 3 times to space it out across the label, and that was pretty much it. Okay, so I just kept adjusting it to the size and spacing it out and then getting it how I want to. So I'm just gonna fast forward the rest of the video because it's literally just me adding 2 more of the logos and just resizing it, adjusting it to get it how I wanted it to be. Okay, so now I added the second logo, and over to the left right here it shows you the width and the height. So I basically tried to get it to be the same. I don't know why I was trying to adjust it, then somehow the numbers just kept getting thrown off, but I got it about the exact same and just went from there. Alright, so I went ahead and added my third logo, and then this is what it ended up looking like. Okay, so right here it is showing you what you have, the 1x4 rectangle label, and it's giving you the options to select a different type of material, but I already had chose the glossy, so that's what I'm sticking with. And the total is $10 before taxes, but it ended up being $14.20 after tax and shipping or whatever. Okay, y'all. So this is how it look when they come in the mail. I did wait until I got them because I wanted to show y'all how they look. So this is what they look like. They sent me a little 10% off coupon, so I was happy about that. And I just threw some hair together. I didn't have no actual bundles, so I just threw it together and put one of the wraps on to show you how it looks. Alright, y'all. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, and let me know, and subscribe to my channel.